Hello everyone, welcome back. Don't mind the crazy eyes and the crazy face, the crazy hair. We're gonna play with makeup and I'm way too excited. I got a little bit ahead of myself and I got all ready without filming my intro. So here I am looking like a mad woman. But welcome to my channel. If you're new, I hope I didn't scare you away. And if you're not new, then of course, welcome on back. So today, like I said, we're just gonna play with a bunch of new makeup I've been ordering tons of makeup. And then I don't know if I have PR actually. I think most of these are products that I've just purchased with my own money and makeup from my haul. If you didn't watch that, you can go back to my last video and watch it. It's my Ulta and Sephora haul. But yay for new makeup. New makeup just makes me excited. So anyways, enough rambling. You already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's video. So I did want to mention, because I didn't show it in my haul, that I did buy the Let's Do Makeup collection with Beauty Creations. I really like her. I don't know if you guys know who she is, but she is a fellow YouTuber Latina. She's actually from El Paso, Texas, which I grew up kind of in El Paso. So it's so awesome to see such a successful woman. And she's such an inspiration to like other Latinas out there, including myself. So she came out with like 2 lip combos, and when I tell you guys, these lip combos are amazing. Oh my goodness, I don't know if they're still available, but I will link them if they are. So I think I want to start with the skin today, and I do have a primer that I want to try, but we're gonna leave this for almost towards, not the end. You'll see. I suck at explaining. So I'm going to take my favorite pore minimizing primer. It's one of my favorites. This is the Clinique Pore Refining Solutions Instant Perfector. This just really does what it says it's going to do and really does perfect the skin. I'm going to take one of my son's baby wipes and I'm just gently going to remove what I have underneath my eyes since it's been sitting here for a while. I think that's good enough. My under eyes, girl, it is what it is. I've kind of learned to just look at myself and deal with it. I've been contemplating getting under eye filler really bad the past few months, but I don't know that I can. Anyways, so I want to try out this primer by Hard Candy. I recently received a PR from them. They launched some new products. So this is the Sheer Envy Glow Serum Primer. It visibly illuminates skin. Let's see. An illuminating primer infused with vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid for a dewy finish that still looks like your skin, just way more even, healthy, and balanced. It brightens and it hydrates. Oh, I did not expect this to have color. Oh my gosh, that's actually really, oh my goodness, that smells so good. So let's see. I'm actually afraid to put this on my skin. I feel like this might make me a little bit oily, I'm not gonna lie. So maybe we won't put that on the skin, at least not today. But let's put this right here. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing, you guys. Also, I cannot wait for summer. I am so ready to wear cute tops, to get nice and bronzed. I'm so ready for summer. What plans do you guys have? Do you guys have any vacation plans? We really want to go to Mexico this year. We want to go to, what was it? Mazatlan? No, I forgot. But we want to go to Mexico. We're just not sure if we are going to end up going, and if not, maybe we'll just stay here locally in Texas. Y'all, there's so much to see in Texas. It's like a never-ending story. But let me know what you guys are doing. My birthday is coming up and I'm excited. Let's go in with a little bit of foundation. I'm using House Labs by Lady Gaga. This is in the shade, let's see, 270 light, medium, neutral. I'm gonna do 1 pump, and you guys, this foundation is so good. It does make me a little bit oily at the end of the day, but I don't mind it too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna mix two concealers, the Urban Decay Quickie and then the Jaclyn Hill concealer. This one has been my absolute go-to for the past, I don't know what, like month or so since I came out. It's just so good, you guys. While I let this set for a few seconds, I have a few different blushes that I want to use. I also have the new Haus Labs blushes. Their formula seems amazing. New Essence Baked Blush. I think it's just the new colors. And then I also ordered Timid Baby from Beauty Creations when I ordered the Let's Do Makeup collab, and then the Sephora blushes that I showed you guys. I think for the video sake, I will be trying the Haus Labs since that's considered new makeup. Let's try out the Milk Makeup contour sticks. These are, let's see, Sculpt Stick in the shade Stoked. One of you commented and said that I guess these are the actual sizes of the Milk Makeup products because they tend to expire quickly, which makes sense. Oh my gosh, I don't like how cool tone it is, but I might have to go in with another contour stick. And I'm gonna blend that in. Oh, that blends really nicely. It's very, I wouldn't say sheer, but it's not very pigmented, which is fine. I'm gonna try to blend this upwards and then stipple it on. I don't mind my jaw contour to be a little bit more cool toned. So what else is new, you guys? Talk to me. Tell me, how is your day? How is life? How are things going for you guys? I feel like I haven't talked to you in quite some time. I missed you guys. I missed filming. I haven't filmed in a few days since I got sick. I just had a ton of pre-filmed content. But when I don't film, it feels like it's been forever. So that is it for cream products. I'm going to set the skin and then we're going to try out the Makeup Forever powder foundation, the matte velvet. I am so excited for you guys to see this on. So let's go ahead and set using the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom loose setting powder. So if you guys remember, I told you that I picked up two shades, 2N26 and what is this one, 2N34. So this is going to be a little bit lighter. I have tried this one already and I liked how it looks, but on camera, I'm going to try both of them and you guys are going to tell me which one you think is best. So on this side, I'm going to go in with a 2N34. Now this is supposed to be a full coverage matte velvety powder foundation. So look at the difference. This is the side with the powder foundation. And this is without it. 2N26 is the one we're going to go in with next. I don't have any bronzer, so let's move on to the blushes. And like I said, I have tons of new blushes. But let's try out the Haus Labs Color Fuse blushes. I only picked up two shades because, again, we're not trying to overspend. We're trying to be wise, and it's not necessary to have every single shade. In my opinion, if you have every single shade, girl, you do you. So I picked up the shade Hibiscus Haze and Pomelo Peach. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Obviously, Pomelo Peach is going to be my favorite. I live for these kinds of colors, but I'm going to swatch Hibiscus Haze for you guys. And let me just tell you, the formula is amazing. Even though it doesn't look like it's pigmented, but it's almost like a hybrid formula. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to take a little bit of that shade on my brush. This is a Morphe brush. I'm not sure what I'm not sure what number it is, but it's from their vegan line, and I'm just going to pop it right here. It looks really nice on the skin. It makes the skin look super filter-like, which is right up my alley. So lids have been primed, and I'm going to go ahead and use the Colourpop Sage the Day palette. I do have some new palettes to play with, and I'm so excited. It's from a brand I've never tried with, but I'm going to leave that for another video because I hauled this. I just really want to try it. So let's go in. Oh my gosh, this palette is so beautiful. Let's go in and let's see what we create. What should we do? That's why I wore this cute little top. So let's go in with the deepest color in the palette, which is called Smudge Me. I'm going to create like a soft cut crease, or I'm going to try to create a soft cut crease. I'm going to take the shade Keep Calm, which is in the same family tone as the shade that we just used. And then I'm going to use a fluffier blending brush. This is not dirty, it's just stained. And I'm going to use the shade Sips Tea, which is the lightest one. And I'm going to use this one to pretty much help me diffuse the rest of the eyeshadows. Let's switch to this one, the Morphe M433. Sorry guys, I had to move my mirror closer, but now I'm going to take back my eyeshadow primer, my Dominique Cosmetics, which is the one I've been using. And I'm going to go ahead and just carve the crease. Wish me luck. And then we're going to go back into the palette and we're going to take again Sips Tea, and we're going to lay this all over the lid. And then we are going to take a little bit of the shimmer and place it in the center. But let's go in with this color first. And I need to blend out my lids because I get creasy. So for lashes, I have a few. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to use. I will see which ones look best with this look. But I have the matte black faux Mink collection from Kiss, which I hauled. I have these from the Let's Do Makeup collection. These look actually really pretty. These are called Cristina, and then these are called Anaí. And then these are called Leslie. I've already worn these and they look so pretty. And then I have these lashes that I bought from a mall. These are the INV multi-angle and volume lashes. Look at these. These are so pretty. They're like spiky. And then these are from a brand called Miss 3D Pure Mink. I'm not sure what they are, but this is this style. And then this style. So I'm going to go ahead and see which ones look best and I'll be right back. Okay, let's finish off this look. I love the lashes. These are the Miss Lash PM21. I wish I could tell you guys where to purchase these, but I purchased them at a mall. It was like a little beauty shop, but if I find them, I will link them for you guys because look at how pretty and like fluffy and wispy they are. And this look, it's serving. Okay, so for the lips, you guys, we're gonna use the Let's Do Makeup collection. She has two. This is the Mi Vida lip trio, which looks like this, and then she has the My City lip trio. This is the one that I've used and I am in love with it. Now the lip liner is the exact same shade as her lipsticks, and for me personally, I like a brown lip liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my KKW Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 2. I'm going to go in with the liquid lipstick, and this is the prettiest brown. Look at this. Ah, I love this. I'm just taking this to the center of the lips, and then I'm going to take Oh, I don't have my brush with me, but I'm going to take just a little brush and blend out the edges. The liquid lipstick is so comfortable, you guys. I've been using it so much. And then I'm going to top it off with her lip gloss. This one is called, again, from the 915. And I like that this one has more of a pinky tone. Oh my gosh, isn't that such a gorgeous lip combo? Let's set the face with the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Fine Setting Mist. Oh my gosh, we have so much new makeup, you guys. And seriously, 10 out of 10. Pretty much everything I liked. The only thing that I could care less for is the Milk Makeup Sculpt Stick. I think it's just a shade. I like the formula. Pero the shade, como que I didn't really like. So if you ended up picking up this specific product and you picked up another shade besides the shade Stoked, let me know if you liked it because I might get a different one. It's a no for the cool tone. I don't like it. It's not my vibe, but I love the way this look turned out. I think it looks really pretty. If you guys haven't picked up the Let's Do Makeup lip trios, oh my gosh, I recommend them so much. They're so pretty. The one with the lipstick and the liquid lipstick, this one, it is gorgeous, you guys. She did such a good job. So congratulations, Leslie, on your collaboration with Beauty Creations. I need to go, okay? I cannot talk. I need some coffee in my system. I'm going to make dinner for my family. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.